Hi, I'm Dr. Samantha Harden.
And I'm Dr. Julia Basso.
And you might be interested in using this dance series that we've created to help get people that you serve moving. You might be a community health educator working for the Department of Health or Cooperative Extension. You might be a teacher looking for different ways for classroom management. You might just be someone who's looking for a new way of moving. Or maybe you're an older adult who's had some recommendations to use movement practices to help with that cognitive health or balance health or certain things. So no matter where you are across the lifespan or what setting you find yourself in, this dance series is absolutely for you. But you might not feel like it. So I have Dr. Julia Basso here to help you feel more confident in using this dance series. So my first question is, if you are not a dancer, how do you get comfortable following along when maybe you feel like you've missed the beat or you're on your left side and someone else is on their right side? How do you keep going when you feel, for lack of a better word, awkward?
No, that's a great question. And I think even when people hear the word dance, it can just be very intimidating. I'm not a dancer, or maybe when I was young, I was in dance class, but then I stopped, or I'm just not good on the dance floor. So all those feelings, kind of that emotional thing comes into play. So here we're really just looking to have fun, move our bodies to the beats. It's really interesting. Humans are one of the only, along with parrots, there's some very interesting research about this, but we're one of the only species that can entrain to musical rhythms. And so we all in us have those musical rhythms, because what happens is that the music, which has rhythms in it, actually gets the brain going in those same rhythms. It's called entrainment. And then that heads to our sensory motor areas, and then we express ourselves through the body. So I would just say, this series is all about having fun, having a good time, finding joy in ourselves. I practice improvisational dance a lot, and one of the things I love about that practice is that we're just finding what feels good in the body. So that's what we're really asking you today, to find what feels good in the body, to notice what you notice, and say yes to those things that feel good, and then let go of anything that doesn't feel good. And that includes that negative talk back, right? Any of that, just let it go. Bring in just positivity and kind of those feel good sensations in the body and in the mind. And dance, right, it is kind of one of those mind-body practices. So, and of course, we're bringing in the elements of yoga and connecting the mind-body, the positive elements of feeling good in the body and feeling good in the mind.
Yeah, so please tune in, watch as many times as you need, and just go at your pace. You can click pause, you can reach out to us. We're available as a resource if you need something, but just have fun, click play, and begin.